13th, 16th wrench, and I have a 13th, 16th socket from that side, and I broke it free with the breaker bar right here. And, it's resting against there, so I don't have to hold it really. And it's coming loose. Now we're doing all this so we can put in these camber bolts so I can get in alignment. I have a 2-inch lift on my truck. This applies to F250s, Expeditions, Navigators. I think some of the, maybe even some of the Lightnings, Ford Lightnings, I'm not sure. And basically stock these trucks, you can adjust the camber if you do lifts or lower. And I have a really weird angle. My tires are wearing uneven and it's sticking out at a strange angle, so I'm going to put these camber bolts in and go get an alignment. Part number 87385. Kind of a review, kind of a repair. I got to do it here, there. Shape like these. So 2 per side, and that's it. I think you torque it down to about 100 foot-pounds. What else? And it starts with the bolt, the camber disc thing, the washer. You stick it through here. The other end goes the washer, camber disc, and then the nut. So once again, we got the stud. It's gonna go in this way, but first you do a washer, the camber nut, or the camber disc thing, and then you feed that bolt through. And then on this side, you'll start with the washer, camber disc, and then the nut. And vice versa, you kind of start from the inside out. On these, I think that's what they showed on Chris Vick's video. Alright, so I started taking that bolt out before I took it all the way out, I started feeding that one in. I also use the jack here to raise the steering knuckle up / control arm, upper control arm, to give a little lift, get some of the weight and gravity off, and so I can slide this bolt through. Just a little tip and trick there. Let's see, push that one out. One sec. Yeah, maybe you can see. Push on the jack. Yeah, that's the trick right there. That's how you make it easy. There's my alignment now. Don't see the other hole right now, but anyways, there you go. Hopefully this works out.